Do you ever feel an overwhelming sense of anxiety the moment you're alone? Does the silence make your mind race, bringing up fears, regrets, and everything you've been avoiding? You're not alone, but it feels that way, doesn't it? Hi, I'm Anca, a multi award winning trauma expert and healing innovator in subconscious reprogramming. I've helped hundreds of people transform anxiety and find deep emotional freedom. Today, I will guide you through three different points: why solitude triggers anxiety at a subconscious level, how attachment wounds create this pattern, and five advanced techniques to calm your nervous system, shift subconscious beliefs, and cultivate peace. When you're alone, does your mind dig up everything you've been avoiding? Like regrets from the past and worries about the future, and fear that the silence will swallow you whole. It is as if being alone turns into a battleground where your own thoughts overwhelm you. This isn't just a random discomfort, it is a deep rooted survival response. Your brain associates being alone with emotional dangers, triggering anxiety and flooding your system with stress hormones.